Hello students, in this today lecture we are going to learn about types of logic gates in the digital electronics. So let's start with the concept. What is logic gates? Logic gates are the basic building block of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and output is based on a certain logic, and these are called logic gates. And these logic gates can be verified with the help of truth table. And what is truth table? The truth table is a logical based mathematical table which shows the possible output for all the possible input, which helps to draw the logic diagram. Using this truth table, we can verify all the logic gates. Basically, there are 7 logic gates are available. Those are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and these are called basic gates. Next one, NOR gate, NAND gate. These are called universal gates. And sixth one is XOR and seventh one is XNOR. So total 7 gates, logic gates are available. With the help of these logic gates, we can build the digital electronics circuits. In every digital circuits, these logic gates will be present. Without this, a manufacturer cannot manufacture any digital electronics circuits. Hence, let's try to understand what AND gate says and what is its truth table. So to do that, here I am using electrical analogous. With the help of that, it will be very easy to understand. First one is AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. Here two inputs variables are there and one output terminal or variable that is denoted as Z. Here two variables, so possibilities of inputs are total 4, so that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Now with the help of electrical analog circuit, I will explain this. There is a lamp and these two switches are connected in series. For example, when this switch will glow, only when both the switches are closed state, then only current flows here and lamp will glow. Otherwise, if any one of the switch is open, it becomes open circuit and it will not glow. And in this condition, this 1 1 is the closed state, so that is what lamp is on here. And rest all cases, one switch is on, one switch is off, and here this switch is off, this switch is on, and here both the switches are off. If any one switch is off, that lamp will be in the off condition only. And this is the truth table for AND gate. What it says in general, if both the inputs are high, then only output will be high, otherwise it is 0. So it is nothing but analogous to the two switches are connected in series. Next one is OR gate. This is the symbol of OR gate. This is analogous to this again electrical circuit, but here these two switches are connected in parallel with this gate, this lamp. Now consider that suppose this S1 is closed, that means it is both are off only. Consider both are off, that means both are at logical 0, so off state. So 0 0, definitely current is not flowing, so lamp is off. Consider now switch 1 is off and switch 2 is on. So what happens, the current will flow through this and it completes the path, so it is on state. In next state, S1 is closed and S2 is off, the current will flow through this and it completes the path, so it is on. If both the switches are closed, that means both are 1 1 logical high and it is on. Now what it says, OR gate, if and only if both the inputs are low, then output is low. Otherwise, if any one input is high, output will be high. This is what about the truth table of OR gate. Then NOT gate, here lamp and switch is connected in parallel with the lamp. This NOT gate, what it shows, whatever input you give, its reverse output you are going to get. If you are going to give 0, you will get 1. If you give 1, and you will get 0. That is what the complement. Now, whenever the switch is open, lamp will glow. That means switch is open means logical 0, low state, lamp will glow. Whenever this is closed, that means logical high, lamp will off. Now electrically there is a problem. How switch is off, still it is on? The reason is very simple. Open circuit indicates very infinite resistance. The current will not flow through this, current will flow through this lamp, and lamp will glow. Suppose if you connect this circuit, that means close this circuit, that it becomes short circuit. Short circuit means what? Very low resistance. Ideally it is 0, and lamp will be having some resistance. What happens? All current will flow through this path only. Very small current will flow, and that does not glow the lamp. Hence, at the closed condition, lamp will not glow. At the open condition, lamp will glow. This is the example for the NOT gate. Now similarly, NAND gate you can use here. It is NAND means NOT plus AND is NAND. Basically it is AND, along with that NOT gate is there, so NAND. Similarly, like NOR also, it is basically OR, and along with that NOT, it is NOR gate. Now let's see NAND gate. When it is along with NOT gate, definitely it produces the exactly reverse of AND gate truth table. So that is what I have shown with this also. Here what we have seen, if and only if both the inputs are high, then only output is high. Now here exactly reverse. If and only if both the inputs are high, then output will be low, otherwise it will be high only. 1 1 1 0. And NOR gate also, it is exactly opposite to the OR gate. What it says, if and only if both the inputs are 0, output is 0, otherwise it is 1. But NOR gate exactly it is opposite. If and only if both the inputs are low, output is high, and for other cases it will be 0. This is what about the NOR gate. Now if you see XOR gate, it is the exclusive OR gate. Here, if any one of the input is high, then only output will be high, otherwise it will be 0. For these two cases, here it is one of the input is high, here also one of the input is high, it is 1. If both the inputs are low, or if both the inputs are high, it will be 0. This is called XOR gate. Now XNOR gate is exactly reverse to the XOR gate, which I have not shown. You can try in your home, so that XNOR is exactly reverse to the XNOR gate. So these are the types of logic gates, and these logic gates will be used in all the electronic circuit, digital electronic circuit. Without these gates, no circuit will be manufactured. Hence, necessary of understanding these gates are very much. Whether AND gate performs like a multiplication, OR gate performs like a addition, and this NOT gate operates like a complement. Whatever input you give, that exactly reverse output you are going to get. If you know these three gates, then other three gates can be easily derived or easily written. Hence, this completes the explanation of logic gates and truth table. In next class, I will cover half adder and full adder circuits. Thank you.